Today we are diving into a Dollar Tree shop with me adventure, and I have found some incredible hidden gems that look high-end and you won't believe they're just $1.25, y'all. If you stick with me till the end, I'll also share a Dollar Tree product you may need to skip as you shop. So stay tuned to find out. Let's do this. First, I saw these acrylic 3-compartment drawer organizers. These are perfect for keeping small items in order. Will be really good for small everyday items that you use on the go, like your lipsticks, like those small blush containers, or very small eyeshadows. Still there, look at these acrylic containers with lids. They are like superhero homes for your bobby pins, scrunchies, rubber bands, and whatnot. Plus the lid keeps everything from flying away. If you know, you know, especially those bobby pins, they can easily stray. I like that they are clear and you can see what's inside very easily. Now let's talk about this scarf hanger right here. It's not just a space saver. Those tiny hooks at the back are perfect for hanging your long, smooth jewelry or small belts. Dollar Tree has stepped up its game with these fancy baskets. They come in different colors, like this bluish color here. They also have them in black and gray as well. These are perfect to store different items in the kitchen, bathroom, office, school classrooms, playroom, and more. All these baskets are well made, y'all. Do you know that some of these items can be purchased online at dollartree.com? Check out the link in the description for more. Let me know in the comments below which product you like the most from this video. I see you, Dollar Tree, trying to be fancy. Dollar Tree have stocked up with different office items. They have these beautiful acrylic drawer organizers with different compartments for various item sizes.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
They also have this unique gray felt desk or drawer organizer, perfect for your office to organize your stationery. They are so well made for just $1.25. On Amazon, they are selling for $7 to $34. But hey, at the Dollar Tree, it's a good deal, y'all. Go buy them. This is for my farmhouse decor friends. Dollar Tree got these vertical pencil holders and they come in different bright colors too. I saw this cool idea online. You can glue them together with hot glue for more storage. Look how cute these acrylic small drawers are. Perfect for storing your tiny treasures, whether it's jewelry, makeup, or any small beauty pieces you have. And you can stack them up and glue them together for even more storage. This is for my friends that love traveling. Dollar Tree has these transparent travel jars with colorful lids. Look at that. I use them for Vaseline, gel, you name it. These are well made and for $1.25 you get 3 of them. This is a good deal, y'all. Talk of bougie on a budget. I saw these candle holders. They give a modern decor vibe. So cool. If you're into inspirational stuff, Dollar Tree has a bunch of fridge magnets, a lot of them, y'all. Look at that. This one spoke to me and it definitely made it into the cart. In the beauty section, Dollar Tree has these makeup brush cleaning mitts. You can also use it to clean your small craft brushes. Pair it with a brush holder like this one here, and you have a setup to dry your brushes. So cool. Here's another Dollar Tree hidden gem. This long reach and pickup stick. It's like having extendable arms to grab stuff behind furniture, like your washer and dryer or even under the bed. This is one of those products that you only know you need and can't do without after you start using it. Moving on, I thought this was an interesting find, a back scratcher. If you need extended hands to help scratch your back, Dollar Tree got your back, my friend. In the home section, Dollar Tree has different types of chargers for your dining table. Good thing you can choose what matches with your decor style. They have a lot of them. If you're on the lookout for oil and vinegar dispenser bottles, you can get them for less at the Dollar Tree. I like that they have a lid, so simple and functional. Now for the product I promised to share earlier, these stackable containers. They seemed like better quality until I put on the lid. Disappointment alert. The container itself is sturdy, but the lid is flimsy. Hoping the Dollar Tree will step up the lid quality next time. Check out this video I suggest next for more valuable content, and share this video with people in your life. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these products. Is it a yes or a nay for you? Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. See you on the next one. Bye.